Reading comprehension is often associated with words alone, but in academic life, texts frequently combine verbal content with non-verbal forms, like diagrams, tables, and figures. Mastering the ability to synthesize these two forms is essential for understanding complex technical or statistical data. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read and comprehend passages containing tables, analyze the data presented, and interpret information by connecting those figures to the surrounding text. In academic contexts, tables are used to present facts vividly and provide brevity, as a well-structured table can often communicate more information than several paragraphs of prose. To interpret these materials effectively, you must pay close attention to detail, constantly shifting your focus between the prose and the table. You need to understand how the numbers, percentages, and categories in the table validate or explain the arguments in the text. This requires a high level of concentration, as these passages are data-heavy, and keeping track of the relationship between figures and ideas is key. When discussing tables, keep an eye out for specific structural cues, such as phrases like, "the above table shows," "the table indicates," or "from the table." Readers may face challenges when dealing with data-rich passages, such as distractions caused by figures, or dense or complex language. A lack of familiarity with technical subject matter, or subtle links between the data and the narrative. To overcome these hurdles, apply a few core strategies. Read the passage slowly and deliberately, and work to synthesize the data with the surrounding content. Look for patterns, trends, and contrasts, and always practice patience by taking the time to study the table before drawing your final conclusions. Furthermore, developing a strong vocabulary will help you grasp the nuances of technical descriptions. Ultimately, comprehending these passages requires a dual approach of processing the verbal narrative and the nonverbal statistical data. By observing, relating, interpreting, and drawing inferences, you can master the skills necessary to extract meaningful information from any complex academic document. If you are watching this course from YouTube or other platform, make sure to sign up on coursexquiz.com to take this unit quiz and track your progress. Enrollment is completely free.